I want y'all to make some noise for my homegirl, Netta B. Netta B is a fucking... I've watched her grind since she went to Far West. For hella long, just grinding and working her ass off with her singing career. For her to continue to keep pushing through. For her to continue to deal with all the bullshit that a woman has to deal with being an artist. Because it's much different for a woman being an artist in this industry. It's a lot of bullshit. So for her to push through and for her to do her shit, man, I want y'all to make some noise for Netta B real quick. Come here, sis. This is motherfucking the princess of the motherfucking Bay Area, man. And we did a record. We did a record on my album called Not in Love Anymore. I wanted you to do that because you're a fucking star and I want the whole fucking world to know who you are. I believe like she could represent this shit, man, on a worldwide scale, man. And represent this shit, man. So we gotta support our own, y'all. That's what the beauty of this shit is. We have to support our own. Cause I guarantee, man, motherfuckers will be waiting outside for some out of town motherfuckers and they be on they dick. I ain't hating at nothing, I'm just saying. We gotta do this shit at home and support our own, man. Fuck with the people that's out here that's really grinding. Ladies, have you ever been in love? No? Keisha your ass was in love. Stop lying, Magic. I don't even like my baby daddy, nigga. How am I being in love? Listen, this record I did this shit. It's called Not in Love Anymore. And it's produced by The Business. And my little sister's on this motherfucker with me. Let's do it. Danny, nigga, you said this was one of your favorite songs. I ain't acting like you wasn't in love, nigga. All that R&B shit, you be right. Y'all sing this shit, it's real easy to learn. Check it out.
Back in the day, I wasn't love, not love anymore.
But some days I sit and think I wasn't love again.
Back in the day, I
Sing that shit.
wasn't love anymore. But some days I sit and wish I wasn't love.
Come on.
I wasn't love, not love anymore. But some days I sit and wish I wasn't love again.
Back in the day,
I wasn't love, not love anymore. But some days I sit and wish I wasn't love again.
some nights I wish that I could get my girl back. Some nights I sit and think, where my girl at? I daydream all the time that we went together and reminisce on all the places that we went together. They say you never miss love until you diss love, and I could never ever get over this love. My main chick, the one I came in the game with, the same chick that loved me before I became famous. Was it my fault? My pride won't let me say. But for the record, I'ma come out and say I changed. I'll be the first to admit that. Lied, cheated, connived, yeah, I did that. But I apologize, but now it's too late. I still got love for you, but I'm the one that you hate. I said I'm sorry, wish I could make it better. Couldn't look you eye to eye, so I had to write a letter.
Back in the day, I wasn't loved.
Sing that shit with me.
Some days I sit and wish I wasn't loved again. Back in the day, I wasn't loved, not loved anymore. But some days I sit and wish I wasn't loved.
Come on.
I wasn't loved, not loved anymore.
But some days,
back in the day, I wasn't loved, not loved anymore. But some days I sit and wish I wasn't loved again.
I love songs like Neo, cause all they do is remind me on how you make me feel. Every song I hear sound like me and you, and the trials and tribulations that we went through. It taught me a lot, I really learned my lesson. So I apologize for all them nights I had you stressing. A queen is what you are, I treat you as a blessing. A queen is what you are, but I treated you much less than what you deserve. And you deserve more, never try to get me back, trying to even up the score. And I respect that, but back then I wasn't wise enough. Hope you forgive me for all of the lies and stuff. I loved you like Ricky loved Lucy. Got me feeling like Chris B over Carucci. Damn, I just really want my wife back. Hope I first you read this and then I hope you write back.
Back in the day, I wasn't loved, not loved anymore.
Ladies, sing that shit with me.
Wish I wasn't loved again.
Come on.
Back in the day, I wasn't loved, not loved anymore. But some days I sit and wish I wasn't loved again.
Come on.
I wasn't loved, not loved anymore.
But some days I sit and wish I was was in love again.
Back in the day, I was in love, not in love.
Let me go here, baby.
Sit and wish I was in love again. Having somebody to hold you, more than just having somebody around. I'm yearning for that special relationship someday. Be patient, wish I could take it back in the day. Oh, oh, oh.
Back in the day.
Back in the day. Yeah.
Sing this shit. Back in the day, I was in love, I'm not in love anymore.
Some days I sit and wish I was in love again.
Back in the day.
Some days I wish I was in love again.
Back in the day.
I was in love, not in love anymore. Some days I sit and wish I was in love again. Wish I could get that old thing back, baby.
What? Back in the day.
Wish I could get that old thing back, baby.
Back in the day.
Wish I could get that old thing back, baby. Wish I could get that old thing back.
Wow.
Fight, nigga, fight.